Now I am continuing from 17th onwards of this Regents review 1. I already completed up to 16th in the previous video. So let us see from 17th onwards. So here this 17, 18, 19 and also this 20th same type. That's why I wrote like this: 17, 18, 19, 20. I am choosing 20th one to do now. First let me do 20th for you. Here what is he saying? Write the standard form of the equation of the line passing through the point 1, negative 1 and parallel to the line 3x minus 4y is equal to 20. So this is the given line. For this line we have to write the equation of the parallel line. For that, what I am doing, first I write 3x minus 4y is equal to 20 as it is. I try to write this given equation in the form y equal to mx plus b form, like this: y equal to mx plus b form. If I write that, then it's easy to find its slope. For that, I am subtracting 3x on both sides. Then what happens? I can cancel this out. Then negative 4y is negative 3x plus 20 I get. And I don't want this minus sign. I want to make it positive. So I am changing to positive. Since I am doing left side, I must do the sign change even on the right side too. So negative 3x becomes positive 3x and this positive 20 becomes negative 20. Now to get y equal to mx plus b, we have to divide with 4. We have to divide with 4 on both sides. Therefore, I divide with 4. I got y equal to 3/4 x minus 5. This is the given equation. And for this given equation, for this given line, we want the parallel line equation. So I am writing parallel line here. So parallel line. For that, I am writing y equal to 3/4 x as it is, because the slope of the parallel line is same. Only it differs in the constant, so I am writing b here since I don't know the constant. To get the value of b, I substitute this point 1, negative 1. So x is 1, y is negative 1. Thereby I am seeing y here, so I put negative 1 here and 3/4 and x is positive 1, so I write positive 1 plus b. So thereby I get negative 1 is equal to 3/4 plus b. So if I subtract 3/4 on both sides, I get this cancel out, and this minus 1 I can write negative 4 over 4 and this minus 3 over 4. Therefore b is equal to, finally we get negative 7 over 4. Therefore I can write this parallel line like this: y is equal to 3/4 x plus b, and b is minus 7 over 4. And if you multiply with 4, you get 4y is equal to 3x minus 7. This is the final answer, but there are no multiple choice here. Just you can leave like this, like short answer. In the same model, you try 21st, 22nd and you try 17, 18, 19, same type. Now let us see 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. All are same type. Everywhere you have to find the equation of the perpendicular line. Therefore I can do the equation of the perpendicular line. For that, first I take the given line, that is 2y is equal to x plus 2. So I am dividing with 2 both sides. Then I get y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. This is the given line. For this given line, I write the perpendicular line. So the perpendicular line you will get like this: y is equal to, for 1 over 2, it is negative 2 over 1 x plus b. Like this you have to write perpendicular. If we know the b value, we are done for this problem. So for this 22nd question, they are giving the point as 4, 3. So it is passing through the point 4, 3. So for y I write 3, and for x I write this 4. Then I get 3 is equal to negative 8 plus b, and add 8 on both sides. Then you get 11 is equal to b. Therefore the equation of the line is y is equal to negative 2x plus b, which is 11. like this you get. And if you search for this answer for the 22nd, which is third one here, like that you have to choose. So try 23rd, 24th in the same model, and see finally in this worksheet 25th one and 26th, 27th and 28th, these four same type, therefore I can show you 26th one now. Here there are two lines, whether they are parallel, perpendicular or neither or same line, that you have to find out, for which I am taking first line 3y plus 1 is equal to 6x plus 4. I subtract 1, therefore 3y is equal to 6x plus 3. I divide with 3 on both sides, so y is equal to 2x plus 1. I got the slope of the first line is 2. In the same model, let me take the second equation, 2y plus 1 is equal to x take away 9. I don't want 1 here, so I subtracted. So 2y is x minus 10. And then I divide with the 2 both sides. Then I get y is equal to 1/2 x minus 5. So the slope of the second line is 1/2. Now if you carefully observe these two slopes, 2 and 1/2, are these two equal? No, they are not equal. Therefore, they are not parallel. And then are these two, is the negative reciprocal of 2, what is that? Negative 1/2, but we have only positive 1/2 here. So even these two lines are not perpendicular. So that is also a wrong answer. And do they representing the same type of lines? No, they are differing in their constants everywhere. So we can say that these two lines are not the same lines. And finally, we can conclude, since they are not parallel and not perpendicular, we can say neither parallel nor perpendicular. That is the correct answer. So for this case, I did like that. You try the 27th, 28th and even 25th, the same type. And 29th is just finding the slope for this perpendicular line, and for this line, perpendicular line slope you have to find. But for 30th, he is saying the slope of QR is like this, and the slope of ST is 8/3. And since QR is perpendicular to ST, therefore find the value of x is saying. So I am taking x minus 1/4 as the slope of QR, but for the slope of ST I am doing negative reciprocal, because this ST and QR are given as perpendicular lines. That's why I can do like this. Therefore I can cross multiply now, 8 times x minus 1 and 4 times negative 3. Thereby I get 8x minus 8 is equal to negative 12. Add 8 on both sides, then you get 8x is equal to negative 4. Thereby 8x equal to negative 4. When you divide both sides with 8, you will get x equal to negative 1/2 or negative 0.5. Like that you have to do this problem. So thank you.